Hey everyone, I hope you guys are okay. What a weird week, huh? Or a week and a half or whatever. I know you guys are posting in the divorce debate. Somebody, Hannah, I think it was, complained that you can't see each other. Sorry, I didn't mean to say you complained, but you said you couldn't see each other's posts, and I'm not really sure what's up with that. I'll try to mess around with it. Um, but because we had to miss class last week and things did not go as planned, I decided to scrap the step family section and instead just revisit divorce. What I'd actually like to do is have you guys do the debate physically in class on Wednesday. Doesn't that sound kind of fun? So keep working along on the modules as you can. Like if you're able to see each other's and you're able to have those debates, that's fine. But let's just plan to also actually do the debate in class this Wednesday when we see each other on the let's say the 4th. So on the 6th, we'll have the actual divorce debate. Email me if you have any questions, but just check in with your group and be prepared to do that. Okay? I know we had to kind of make changes and flip things around, but we're flexible people. We can do that. So I hope you're safe and well, and I'll see you on Wednesday. Take care, you guys.